Akash as a brother was very different, I think, different experience. It was not like a normal sibling kind of a thing. Because, and that's what I realized later. When I see my kids the way they are as siblings, I realized that mine was not so, because Akash was, was a special kid. I mean, he was, we wouldn't fight the way I see my children fight and all that. But I think for me, it sensitized me to a lot of issues that a child growing up with disabilities face. I mean, the normal school pattern. But I think my mother and my father equipped me very well to handle questions that came my way. Because as you're growing up and, your friends have, they have a sister or a brother, you're in this class, what's your brother doing? Whereas that was only up to a point. After that, when they asked me, Akash didn't go beyond first grade. So I think they equipped me very well to answer, no, he's a slow learner, and things like that. And I don't think I don't know what they perceived out of those answers, but I was very comfortable answering those at a point. I don't think I felt any kind of discomfort. The other thing in terms of what did Akash have, which I don't see around many times, is I think he was treated like an equal member of the family. There's nothing that was he was not given access to or kept away from or things like that, be it holidays, be it going out to any place, whether fancy or a place nearby, going to friends' houses. It was not like he cannot come, it's only you come or something. No, never. It was very inclusive as an environment, and that's something that you don't see common across in the country. Then growing up, the other thing is when he was of the age of probably in his 20s and or late teens, when it came to finding vocational training or it came to finding an opportunity for him to work, I was fortunate that I was in a place like HMT where they had a special education, where they had a center for vocational training for people with who were mentally challenged and things like that. So I was able to get him involved in that place. He worked there for a long time. They used to make notebooks, or they used to make small things which they used to sell to other corporates and things like that. So when I look at that, there's a whole lot that can be done by people with challenges who cannot follow the normal stream, so to say. Well, what is normal is again a different spectrum. But the infrastructure to support growth and advancement is something that I feel is lacking in this country. To help them be on their own, to get them to a point where they can be optimally functional, I don't think as a country we have that support structure. I think Akash that way, I think, is very well balanced out in terms of his social skills, his day-to-day routine and things like that. But is this something that is common across in the country? I don't think so. And I say this from a comparison standpoint of what I've seen in the US. So I feel there is a lot that that India can do, and I think India has the wherewithal to do it, but it's just putting those structures into place and making it formal and making it available, which would be important. I give the credit for that will go to my parents. I think their awareness about what it is and what can be possible and cannot be possible, and how to create an environment where we create an inclusive culture. We don't segregate because of a disability like this, I think, is the key thing. The acceptance of it and how we dealt with it, I think, came from the fact that both my parents took the effort to understand it much more. So education in the first place was definitely one of the things. And you don't see it because I think people look at it as a stigma. People look at it as how will you be classified, or how will you be looked at. I don't think my parents, whether and let me tell you, growing up as a girl child in India is again, there are concerns like who will marry her if she has a brother like this. I don't think that ever came into play. At least even if my parents had it at the remotest corner of their mind, I don't think it was ever, I was ever made to feel that way, and we ever treated Akash differently because, I was a girl growing up in India, and no, It was, she is who he is. He is part of the family, and this is her family. So whoever I get married to, it is very imperative that he accepts Akash as a part of them, and that's important for me as well. It's one of the most important things, that if Akash is not accepted, then I'm not in that place. And I've never felt there was anything where I was not accepted because of Akash. But I think that comes from the attitude towards the way we have included Akash in everything. Immense possibilities for children like them. You have to explore and find out. But first, most importantly, is accept that yes, your child is different from your other child or your sibling, or but remember that there's a lot they can do to contribute to make a person with special needs successful and productive. Takes a lot from the family, and it is the family that needs to ensure that they can find everything and support their sibling or child with what they need. And I think it's positive attitude and the support system.